Section 6. Badges. In this section, we are going to take a look at the role of badges in a Gamified Moodle course, creating a badge from scratch, deciding the criteria of the badge, adjusting the size of the badge for a Gamified Moodle course, uploading the badge to the Gamified Moodle course. The role of badges in a Gamified Moodle course. In this video, we are going to take a look at what do video games award, rewarding badges in Gamified Moodle course, rewarding different types of badges. What do video games award? Video games award coins or gems. Coins are obtained easily when finishing the game. Gems are more difficult to obtain and they give you more power. We can be awarded more lives as well. If we watch videos, we are awarded either free lives, coins, or gems. What can we award in Moodle? We can't award coins, gems, or lives, but we can award badges. We can design different types of badges according to the threaded activities that we can design in our Moodle course. We can make our students watch a video in order to pass the following activity, restricting the access if they do not do it. We can design different types of badges according to the criteria we use for them. Badges are easy to award in Moodle. Badges are a must in Gamified Moodle courses. Badges are the awards we have for students. We can set the criteria according to the needs of the course. They are the prize for the students when they do what they are asked to. We need to set the goals for the badges. We can design a badge or download a free badge. We can design a badge from scratch according to the type of badge that we are going to add to our Moodle course. We can also download a free badge, as it was shown in previous sections. When designing a badge, we must bear in mind the criteria for the badge. We need to think of the target audience of the badge before using one. We need to bear in mind copyright laws so as to avoid using trademarks or any drawing that can't be used in our badges. Creating a personal badge is the best idea.